Hi there class, today we're going to be looking at how to put pictures of our assembly file or our part file into our presentation for the playground problem. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that you get your part pulled up, make sure it's centered, you're in a pretty good position to take a picture of it, and then we're going to go down to the bottom left part of your screen, click on the Windows icon, and just start typing in Snipping Tool, S-N-I-P-P-I-N-G. Snipping Tool is the app that you want to use. Now, Snipping Tool is pretty easy. Just click here for a new snip, and then you can highlight and drag your mouse over top of the picture that you want to save. If you let go, it'll give you a nice picture. We'll click on this little Save Snip icon. Looks like a little flash drive or floppy disk. Click on that, and make sure you know where you're going to save this. I'm going to save this in this PC in my pictures, just so I know it's one of my pictures. Alright, I'm going to say toy box, or toy chest, toy box, that'll work. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and save that. It's in my this PC in pictures. Save as toy box, save. So now when I go to my presentation, my playground project presentation, if you make a blank slide, I'm going to go to image, click on image. I'm going to go to upload and choose an image to upload. So I'll go back to where I saved my picture in my pictures folder, and there's my toy box. Go ahead and click on that and open it. It will upload that into my PowerPoint presentation. I can change the size of it, I can resize it, I can put a title here with a text box. If I make a text box here, just say toy box. And of course, I'll go ahead and try to make this centered. There we go. I'll make it centered up and down as well, and make it a little bit bigger. I'll go ahead and change the font as well. I'll do something like Corsiva. That looks great. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Alright, and then also I can go ahead and just type in a little paragraph about what the toy box is, how I made it. The toy box is made of 2 part files, etc. Alright? For this, you might want to have 2 to 3 sentences explaining your part. And after that, that's pretty good for your part. You also want to make a slide just for the entire playground put together, the entire assembly, and also a picture of the entire assembly of the prototype that you're making right now. Alright, and the rest of the things that you need for your presentation will be found under number 7, and this is part of your playground design problem 1.5.9. If you go down to number 7, the other things that you need in your presentation are explain the problem, review the constraints, explain any research that was conducted, so from way back at the very first couple of days, show and explain your initial design sketches, so if you've got sketches, make sure that you talk about those, explain why an idea was chosen to pursue, show and explain your 3D models. All these things you don't have to have in your presentation on your PowerPoint, but you do have to explain them in your presentation when you give it on Friday. Alright? And you're going to have about 5 to 10 minutes for your presentation. So go ahead and keep working on your presentations, and we'll try to get this finished by Friday. Good luck, class!